If you ask me to start my online business completely from scratch from today, the first thing I'll do that is Facebook Live. Hey there, my name is Sagar, and today I'm going to talk about the importance of Facebook Live and why I'm always talk about and focus more about Facebook Live. The reason being, if you really wanted to get fast traction and fast lead generation or fast sales, then I would always prefer Facebook Live is the best way to nurture your audience and get sales. Why? That's how I started my channel. Most of the people ask me like, okay, Sagar, why don't you do work on YouTube? YouTube is something, it takes time, right? It takes to build the audience. But Facebook is something that I discovered, which has given me a lot more potential than any other platform. And I'll give you the data. It is not from me, it is about uh, the there are a lot of top marketers have shared it. Okay, so first is videos, Facebook Live videos see 3x more engagement than traditional videos shared on Facebook. Like there are two types of video you can post on Facebook. One is Facebook Live, which you just go live and post it. Another way you just record it and just post on Facebook. Okay, if you compare both, Facebook Live has a huge reach. The reason being, people try to engage more when they see, okay, they're just people are just going live. Okay, the person is going live. Okay, that is the first thing. Second thing is, it's kind of like uh it's a kind of TV camera on your pocket, right? So whenever people see that you are going live, they feel like you are talking to themselves. That is a very close interaction with your audience. And sales is nothing about like how you are deeply connected with your audience. That is when it comes to value-based marketing. Okay. Third fact that I would like to share, that is Facebook says that 1/5 of the videos posted on their platform now comes via Facebook Live, and that users spend, as I mentioned, like 3x longer watching videos when it's live compared to pre-recorded or saved video. So these are data from Facebook itself. So that's why like I'm already talking about. Okay, just to note, next week I'll be hosting a 7-day Facebook Live challenge. If for someone who really wanted to know the right step by step like framework to go live, how to deliver your live, or the framework, and what are the different ideas that you can capture your and hook your audience towards your funnel. If you really wanted to learn this, it will be, you can say it is kind of a free, because all the challenges I did completely free, but this time this is something different. If there is a minimum charge of 999 rupees, and if you are watching outside India, it must be something 13 or $14. But this is cashback, 100% cashback. Why I'm saying, once you take action for 7 days, you will get all the cashback system. This is something I've created for the first time. You can check out the link below if you really want interested to learn more about it. Okay, so let's talk about what other thing you should know about Facebook Live. First is brand awareness. Since let's suppose you go live for at least 30 days, your audience, they are connected with your Facebook profile. And I'm talking about Facebook profile since we are organic marketer. As organic marketer, focus more on Facebook profile rather than Facebook page. That is what I talk about. Okay, and so the brand awareness is more, engagement is also high. You also save a lot of time because you don't have to record and edit then a lot of things, because you just open your mobile and click a one button and go live. That's it. Yeah, no headache of editing, fast attentions. The moment you go live, your profile will see some live button and it's kind of pop up. The red color actually attract people to take action in your profile. So that is the color psychology Facebook uses. It's like meeting your customer in person whenever you go live, and you can also do a real-time Q&A, all those stuff. So these are the some cool feature I've just talked about. And so yeah, I would like to invite you for this 7-day challenge. So this specifically, I did this video only for those who really wanted to grow fast. Okay, definitely I also do YouTube, but I know YouTube is something I'm recording this video. This video will stay for a longer period of time. But Facebook Live something can create more fast attention in front of your target audience. Okay, if you are really following me from past few months, I talk about organic marketing. You can go and check out the playlist like Facebook group and all. So those organic marketing growth never be possible without Facebook Live. So that is the reason why I've always talked about, if you can just add your all the all those other aspect of content with Facebook Live, you really can do a lot of things. Okay, so that's the game over here. So if you really wanted to know more about it, just check it out about the Facebook Live challenge. I'm really super excited to have you there. And thank you so much everyone for uh, coming with me throughout my YouTube journey. Please like and subscribe if you found a little bit of value from this video, and do let me know if you're joining. So comment hashtag 7-day. Also, I'll drop reply back to you with the job challenge link. See you there. See you inside. Bye bye. Take care.